I will talk about how can you receive this sign or know how you can do that on your hotel Sparkle map or you go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on account down here. You just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now. So you just click here on communications, just click on it. You just click here on communications, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on hotels.com, just click on it. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. You come here to trip planning here assistance. Just click on it here. You come to MI, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean trip planning assistance notifications disable with us now. Then you click here on save to save with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.